Hi guys, welcome back to Clean Route with daily news and reviews. Today we'll be talking about Meta's AI. Because Meta is giving away its AI technology to try to beat ChatGPT. Let's talk about it. So Meta announced it's open sourcing its large language model 2, making it free for commercial and research use and going head to head with OpenAI's free to use GPT-4. Which powers to like GPT-4 and Microsoft Bing. And Meta announced the move as part of the Microsoft inspired event. Nothing gets support for Azure and Windows, and a growing partnership between the two companies. At the same time, Microsoft also revealed more details about the AI tools built into its 360 platform and how much those will cost. Qualcomm also announced it is working with Meta to bring their language model to laptops, phones, headsets starting from 2024 onward for AI-powered applications that work without relying on cloud services. A quick interruption here, guys. Today's video is brought to you by CleanPhone. CleanPhone is a perfect phone for your kids because it allows you to manage everything on your kids' phone remotely. It has tons of amazing features, like you can choose which application you would like your kids to use and which game you would like your kids to play. And you can also monitor their text and phone logs, and it lets you manage their screen time as well. So I would definitely recommend you guys to check out their website, which is cleanphone.info. Let's get back to our article, and there we go. So Meta press release explains the decision to open up their large language model as a way to give businesses, startups, researchers access to more AI tools, allowing for experimentation as a community. According to Meta, large language model 2 was trained on 40% more data when compared to large language model 1. Which includes information from publicly available online data resources. It also says it outperforms other LLMs with large language models like Falcon and MPT when it comes to reasoning, coding, proficiency, and knowledge tests. In opening up a large language model of Meta, they said it wants to improve safety and transparency. The company said that large language model number 2 has been re-teamed or tested for safety by generating adversarial prompts to facilitate model fine-tuning, both internally and externally. Meta also discloses how the models are evaluated and tweaked. The open source LLaMA 2 will be available through Microsoft Azure platform. And Meta said their language model will also be available through AWS, Hugging Face, and other providers. So, opening access to today's AI models means a generation of developers and researchers can test them, identifying and solving problems fast as a community. While Meta first announced its LLaMA, which is large language model, in February, it leaked on 4chan just days later. And now that more people have access to LLaMA 2, we are bound to see new AI powered tools built upon the model. And Meta says it received over 100,000 requests from the researchers to use its first model, but the open source LLaMA 2 will likely have a far bigger reach. That is kind of correct because it's going to be free, so everybody's going to want to try it, right? So that was the tech news for today, guys. Let me know in the comments what do you guys think about it, and like and subscribe to the video. We'll see you in the next one.